Today we are going to talk about sports injuries. Whether you are an athlete or just someone who loves to stay active, injuries can happen to anyone. But don't worry, I'm here today to give you some valuable information on how to prevent and manage sports injuries. First thing first, let us talk about importance of warming up and stretching before any physical activity. This is very crucial to prepare your muscles and joints for upcoming workout. A proper warm up increases blood flow, improves flexibility, and reduces the risk of injury. So don't skip this step. That's very important. Next, let us discuss the significance of wearing proper gears and equipment to protect your body. Whether it is helmet, knee pad, or supportive shoes, using the right gear can make a huge difference in preventing injuries and in improving the endurance. Make sure your equipment fits properly, it is not loose, and is in good condition to provide optimal protection to your joints, especially knee and elbows. Now, let us dive in to the most common sports injuries you may encounter. Sprained ankles, strained muscles, and knee injuries are among the top contenders. If you do experience any injury, remember RICE method, RICE, means rest, ice, compression, and elevation of the injured limb. Resting allows your body to heal, while icing reduces the swelling and inflammation. Compression helps to stabilize the injured area, and elevation aids in reducing the swelling as it acts against the gravity. However, it is important to know when to seek professional help. If you experience severe pain, persistent swelling, or you are unable to bear weight on the injured area, it is time to see your doctor or a sports medicine specialist. They will be able to provide a proper diagnosis and guide you through the recovery process. Prevention is always better than cure. So let us talk about some strategies to minimize the risk of sports injuries. Gradually increase your intensity and duration of workouts instead of jumping directly into intensive activities right away. Cross training is also beneficial as it helps strengthening different muscle groups and reduces overuse injuries like tennis elbow or golfer's elbow. Lastly, listen to your body. If something doesn't feel right, don't push through the pain. Rest and recover to avoid further damage. Remember, sports injuries can be frustrating, but with the right knowledge, precautions, you can minimize the risk, stay active, stay safe, and take care of your body. That is it for today's video. I hope you found these tips very helpful. If you don't forget to like and share this video with your friends. Stay tuned for more informative content, and until the next time, keep moving and stay injury free. All the best.